Ready to ditch the one-off approach and finally build real investment momentum? If you're only topping up your investment account sporadically, you're missing out on the power of pound cost averaging and building a consistent habit. Today, I'm going to walk you through the super simple steps to set up a regular monthly investment on your Nutmeg account. It's the most straightforward way to automate your financial future. Laptop computer step 1, log in and find your pot. First things first, jump onto the Nutmeg website or app and log into your account. You'll see an overview of your different investment pots, whether it's an ISA, a pension, or a general investment account. You need to select the specific pot you want to add a regular monthly contribution to. Click on that pot to dive into its details. Moneybag step 2, navigate to contributions or top up. Once you're in your chosen pot, look for an option like contributions, top up, or add money. The exact wording might vary slightly between the website and the app, but it's always clearly signposted. Clicking this will bring up the options for how you want to add funds. You will usually see two choices, a one-off payment or setting up a regular payment. Spiral calendar step 3, select regular and choose your amount. Now, choose the regular contribution option. This is where you specify the two key details, the amount and the frequency. First, enter the monthly amount you want to invest. Remember, you can start small. Nutmeg typically has a low minimum for regular contributions, making it accessible. Next, you'll confirm the frequency, which in this case, will be monthly. Bank step 4, choose your payment date and method. You'll be prompted to select the day of the month you want the money to leave your bank account. This is usually best aligned with your payday, so you invest as soon as you get paid. Finally, you'll need to link or confirm your direct debit details. This usually involves confirming the bank account you want the money to be taken from. Nutmeg will then set up the direct debit mandate for you. You'll get a final screen to review and confirm all the details, the pot, the monthly amount, the date, and the payment method. Check it all looks right and hit confirm. That's it. Nutmeg takes care of the rest. Your investment will be taken automatically each month and allocated according to your chosen investment style and risk level. This simple automation is how you build wealth without even thinking about it. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.